In this tutorial, you will learn how to resolve the slow response issue with Claude Code. By following these steps, you can optimize performance and improve the responsiveness of your model. Begin by checking the current command line interface and model latency. Open your terminal and type the command Claude-V. This will display the version of your Claude model. Ensure that you are using Claude 226LL or the latest 2026 model. Using older models or having misconfigured defaults can significantly slow down responses, making this verification an essential first step. Next, run a quick latency test to measure the response time of the API. You will enter the following command, $start equals getDate. Invoke REST method https://apiud.ai/v2026/completions -method post-body @model Claude 2026 input ePLE ktest convert to JSON -content type application /JSON out null. $end equals getDate, response time, $end $start, total seconds. After executing this command, you will receive a response time in seconds. If the response time exceeds 5 seconds, it indicates that the system is too slow and requires further optimization. To enhance responsiveness, enable streaming for faster outputs. Use the command $response https://api.ai/vg26/stream -method post body AI/v. Input widgery generate JSON for users. Stream $true. Convert to JSON -content type application /JSON. This command allows the API to send partial outputs immediately rather than waiting for the entire response to be generated, which can significantly reduce wait times for larger outputs. Another important step is to optimize your prompt and request size. It is advisable to split larger tasks into smaller chunks to improve processing speed. For example, instead of sending a request with 5,000 lines of input, you can send 500 lines per request. Use the command $chunks equals get content large file.txt -read count 500 $chunk in $chunks. Invoke REST method https://api.cloud.ai/v2026/completions -method post-body @model Claude 2026 input $chunk convert to JSON -content type application /JSON. This approach allows Claude 2026 to handle smaller chunks more efficiently. It may also be necessary to clear the CLI cache, as a common cause of slowdown in Claude 2026 is corrupted or large cache files. To do this, execute the command remove item $nvem US a profile slowed cache -recurse -force -error actions silently continue. This will remove the cache files that may be affecting performance and help restore faster response times. Lastly, for heavy tasks, consider utilizing local asynchronous tasks. You can initiate this with the command $task equals Claude run-model Claude 2026 L-input. Analyze 5,000 lines -async followed by Claude task poll $task. ID, this method allows you to run large analyses without blocking your command line interface while waiting for completion. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.